Carlo.
Hey, how are you? Charlie. Good. Jimmy.
This is Ben Silver, Carlo.
Carlo? How you doing? Carlo.
That's it. Grab a seat. Carlo and I grew up together. It's like I would say almost like a cousin to me.
Oh, I am your cousin.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. It's a family thing. It's the closeness.
Anything he needs, anything I can do for him, he knows I'm here for him. You know that.
I know. So did you take care of that thing I asked you about?
It's all right to talk business in front of your friend?
It's okay.
I took care of it.
What about the other thing?
I gotta wait for the first thing to come through before I can move on the second thing.
Did that guy give you a problem?
The guy in the first thing?
Yeah.
He's a lunatic.
What do you say?
The usual.
So you tell him you weren't going for it?
What am I gonna do, Paul?
You gotta nip that shit right in the bud.
But if the first thing comes through, then I'll fix everything.
Exactly. Including the second thing.
Absolutely.
Exactly. Don't repeat what you hear here. Hear?
What, the first thing or the second thing?
Very funny. Stevie B.